We all know by now that Karin Designs love Big Island. We all have seen it, what I can do. And I just believe that a big kitchen island will truly help the functionality of the kitchen, the gathering of the family members. It makes it for a very cozy meals because you can all sit, you're obligated at that point to sit all together, right? Talk about the day, how it was, and the plans for the next week or whatever that may be. So with that said, my kitchens will be a little bit more expensive than the general just because, again, mine are big. I don't shy away from 2-slab kitchens, and I'll get there by L's or T's or even straight rectangular double level of islands. Depends of the elements that we have chosen, like the type of wood that island will be made of, what cabinetry with what gadgets we will have in the island. Then obviously the countertop selections, and if we had 1 slab or 2 slab. But my islands will probably are averaging between 20 to 50,000, depending, like I said, of how big the client has, allowed me to create the islands for them. Don't get stuck when making a selection of what's the right size for your island in your home. Don't be stuck of overthinking it and stressing about it. Honestly, the best thing to do is call me. I will come and I will let you know what is the best plan for your home, show you how what I think is correct, and then we can make that happen for you. Overall, big islands means fresh meals made at home, allows you for that the time that you may have with your little ones to create the pizza from scratch, create the spaghetti from scratch. There is so many components beyond the fact that I have a countertop and I have more storage to put junk in it, right? There is so many more elements to that big island beyond just that. So let me tell you if a big island or a small island is correct for you.